Okay, test number, I don't know, 58. All right, I got my phone upside down to show the perspective of what we're gonna try. We got a car right in front of us. We're telling it we are behind the building here, and look at the path that it's choosing, you know, over the curbs, kind of through this car. There's actually a couple trucks over there right now, which of course it can't see in here, but it will see. So, you know, let's see what happens. Go to target. Seatbelts fastened. All right. It's
There's a car coming this way too.
Oh, there's another car coming? Yep, here comes a car, and no problem. Just merge right in with that car. And now it... See, it's changing, yeah, it's changing the path on the screen here too. And we're pretty much there. It's not saying, nope, summon complete, upside down. So, wow, that was, I mean, that is interesting. So, like, it'll pick a path, but just like that last test we did, it picked a path that was correct, and then as we were moving, it picked the incorrect path, tried to take it, saw that it couldn't, backed up and redid the path. This one, it had an incorrect path, started it, and then adapted the route. So I don't know, it's real interesting stuff. Sometimes that adaptive route works great, other times it's just a complete mess. But hey, let's try something else.